Hey guys, today I want to show you how to upload and share video link in Mega. So first, log into your Mega account. Make sure it's a verified account. Now, just if you have one video you can just upload, click on upload and upload the file. But if you have multiple videos, I recommend just you create a new folder and just name it, for example, videos, and put all your uploaded videos in that folder for a better understanding and organization of our files. But now let's deal with the case that we have one video. So yeah, click on upload file, just select any video you have. Here, example, and just wait it to be uploaded. Wait for the video to be uploaded fully. After the video is fully uploaded to Mega, just click on three dots of the video and head over to Share and click on Share Link. Click on Yes. After you click on Share, you will just find a link here. Just copy it, and that's it, guys. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.